You searched how to buy shares of Calumet Inc., so in this clip I'll show the practical steps to buy CLMT. Calumet is a company in the petroleum processing and specialty fuel sector, and the stock trades on NASDAQ under the ticker CLMT. This is an educational walkthrough and not investment advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the flow. After registering, you will be asked to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and you must add funds before placing a live purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CLMT to find the right listing. Look for Calumet Inc. on NASDAQ and select the matching result to open the asset page. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart. Review the company description to confirm you have the correct Calumet Inc. listing. Make sure the ticker reads CLMT and the exchange is NASDAQ. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button. Choose the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at market open. And if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order can be confirmed. Once completed, your CLMT position will appear in your portfolio view. For the platform link and more details, check the description below.